Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. We're going to do an unboxing of this package. Let me turn that over so you guys can't see my address. We are going to unbox this, and then when I get my other package, I will add the other unboxing to this video and then upload it. But I'm kind of excited to see this, so let's get started. Sorry, I'm recording this on my couch, so it's going to be a little wiggly. This I bought from Happy Planner. Yeah. Okay, let's see. It says you are a world changer, born to shine and conquer. Oh, I like that. I might have to put that on top. Well, I'm going to open this first, because this was what I'm most excited about. So, I got a planner folio for my planner, for my Franken planner. I don't have any scissors or anything with me, so I'm going to have to do all this by ripping stuff off and then cutting it later. Oh, hold on, let's see what this is. Looks like there's a sticker in here too. I love stickers. I love stickers. It says happy. What is this? Oh. Planner zip folio. One piece. I'm super excited about using this. Where's the zipper? Oh. Sorry, you guys. It's kind of... Okay, so see, it has like a little pocket and some little... Oh, I'm so in love with this. And a zipper. And then you can put your portfolio, my Happy Planner behind here. And oh, I'm so in love with this. And it has hearts. I love the coloring of this. And I can put some stickers on the outside. Okay. No, I won't do that because I don't want to ruin it. I don't want to ruin stickers. The Happy Planner. Okay, and then I got the Wrong Every Day. I love Wrong. I see her, like, I see people posting with these stickers all the time, so I had to get it. I'm so in love. Can't wait to do a spread with it. Then I got glitter paint. And those are gorgeous. Love the coloring. Love the splatters. Oh, so beautiful. So gorgeous. Oh, I can't wait to do my spread. That'll be my next video. Actually, you might see that one before you see this one. I'll try to post them in order. And then I got the Wrong Every Day. Wait, what is the difference? I don't know what the differences are. Maybe somebody can comment below and tell me. I don't know. Anyway, like I said, I love the girls, and they're the colors, so beautiful. Cannot wait to use these stickers. My old man says I'm crazy because I got a box, which I'm about to pull out and show you. Since I just moved in with him, I have this box right here of stickers and other like envelopes and stuff. This is not my binders. Oh, the sticker came off. We'll just add it to the bottom right there. These are just stickers and washi tape and marker. This is all my odd stuff. And little envelopes and extra, what are they called? Dashboards and everything like that. That's just this box. And then I have another box of nothing but planners. And that box is bigger than this one. But they're just planners. Everything you can think of from Happy Planner. And I don't have a lot of the ones that I've seen on YouTube and Instagram. I don't have all those, but I do have. I'm starting a collection, so I'm building it. I'll have an office when I move into my own place or into my new place. I will have my office for nothing but supplies, filming and everything. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I will add the other part to the back of this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can know when I upload a video, and I will see you on my next video. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am going to be doing an unboxing. I got this from Happy Planner. It is a mystery kit, and I'm trying to block off my address so you guys and information. So I don't know if you guys can really see that, but okay, there we go. So I got, a mystery kit, my tripod, from Happy Planner, and we are going to open it. Oh, I have that sticker. I'll probably send that to my aunt. A lot of this, me and my aunt are going to split because she lives up in Canada, and we are both Happy Planner sticker people. So we are going to open this, and we are going to see what we got. So let's get started. I really like this. This is cute. I'm sending this to her because I have a thing. So we're going to start with this pocket. And, oh, those are so cute. Okay, so we're going to split this. I think I'm going to keep these post-it note things right here. But I'm going to send the rest of this to my aunt. So this is a Beach Vibes. And it has little cardstock papers and some stickers. Here, we'll open it and do a little flip through. I guarantee that this is going to go to her. So they have like little functional stickers and noted and reminder. Really cute stars and I really like these stickers. These are really cute. And they have like quotes and boxes. Oops. And stars and more boxes. Ooh, I like that. That's kind of pretty. More boxes and little circles and hearts and boxes. Oh, little pineapple. Pineapple and a star seashell. And littler boxes with today. And little flags. Some hexagon shapes. Stickers. And then a little couple of long quotes. And so yes, I'm just gonna take these out, these little ones, and keep them, and then I will send her these. And these are like little cards. You can stick them in your day planner and write little notes on the back. Oh, just quick little things like to-do list, jotted down. Maybe need to focus on some stuff for the week. Daily focuses. Just little things to remind yourself. Good vibes. They have, ooh, the last few sheets are good vibes. And all the things you need to do. They got some of those. So yeah, I think I'm just going to take these ones out and send her the rest. If I can get it back in the bag. And then these are travel papers. I'm going to send these to her too because I don't do a lot of traveling. Maybe she does. So it has like where you're going, what you're doing, who you're going with, when, little check note, itinerary. And then on the back, there's like a little packing list. Whoops, sorry. A little packing list. And so, oops. These are little cute little pouches that come off. So we will open this one. This one has washi tape. Okay, I'm keeping this. Yeah, I'm keeping this. I like washi tapes. Sorry, Auntie. And then cute little bag, and it goes right back on. Oops, I gotta cut this one off too because it has a little. And almost threw that in the trash can. This one has some like little discs. I don't know if you can see that, but it has like a little rainbow. See, it has a little rainbow on there. This is going to her too. They're cute, but I wouldn't use them, so maybe she will. So we will put this back in here. I'm going to load this up before I send it to her because I have more coming. So I'll do another unboxing. And the second pocket. Okay, Let's see. This is a notebook Happy Notes. Okay, this I'm keeping too. I'm sorry, Auntie. This one I'm keeping. It has 60 sheets of notebook paper, 3 dividers, a dashboard, some stickers, a little folder. Okay, let's open it and see. So it has little grid papers, and then, ooh, those are some really cute. Let me see what this one is. This one says, I'm walking on sunshine. I love this one. This is so pretty. Let the currents guide your heart. Love the colors. Little dashboard. Clear dashboard. Oh. Then it says hello, and it's got a little folder. And then a little divider. I thought it said it had stickers. Did I pass the stickers? Where did I? Yes, I did. So after that, it has little functional stickers, hearts, and telephone, and plans, and coffee date, and me time, and make a wish. Yeah, I like that. So that one I'm keeping. What is this? This is summer. Okay, so this is summer sticker book. So we have a couple more sticker books. Done adulting. It's got mermaids. Let's see if I can cut it open. My phone's about to die. It has mermaids and seashells and like stars and sea urchins and under the ocean. Okay, this one I might have to keep. Sorry, Auntie. Okay, this one I'm gonna keep. And let's see, what is this? Pastel Tropics. Probably split this one with her. Let's see. Oh yeah, these ones. Beautiful colors, pastels, gorgeous boxes, beautiful colors, to-do lists, little leopard prints, some leaves and stuff, some more leaves, some pretty colorful quotes, boxes. Nope. Priority today. Appointments. Ooh, those are pretty. So are those. Leaves, colorful leaves. Leopard prints, stars. Clear stickers, clear quotes. Love the color